We recently purchased this property and we decided to go for a new build team, which cost us more money than the previous build team on our other project. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why we decided to go for a new build team and why sometimes paying more money for your build team can save you more money in the long run. I am Greta, and behind cameras is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And this year we are on the mission to buy 3 large properties, renovate them, rent them out, and make a passive income. And it's been quite a journey, and we are super excited to share it with you. This is our project number 2, and our build team has been on site for 5 days, and the progress they made so far, it's amazing. Now, before we step inside, let's talk about the first big difference between project number 1 and this one. And as you can see, the scaffold is up and ready to go. So our builders are ready to dive into the loft conversion without any further delay. Now let's go inside and see what's been happening there. As you can see, all of the chimneys are out, and this is where we hit our first major difference between the projects. In this project, we will have to support our chimneys with the steel beams and not gallows brackets like on our previous one. Some of the building control doesn't allow to use gallows brackets to support chimneys because of the building structure. And for this building, the better way for us to approach was to use steel beams. Speaking of building control, which is a team making sure that you follow all the building regulations. It's been quite a journey for us with them, and so far we changed 3 building control teams on both of our projects. As we're converting this property into a large HMO, 2 of the building controls were insisting that we would install a smoke chambers into the property, which we found completely unnecessary. Not only this would add an extra cost, but it would take away a very valuable space that tenants need. So we didn't want to give up that easy, and we were talking with the different developers, and they did inform us that they installed smoke chambers in some of their properties, but we were on a mission to find a better way out of this. After doing some research and talking with the different officers, we decided to go for council's building control. But Daniil will dive deeper on this topic in a separate video, so stay tuned for it. Let's not get sidetracked, and let me show you the progress. So this is what it used to be, a dining room and a kitchen. As you can see, the wall in between is gone, the chimneys are gone, all the kitchen counters are out, and actually they cleared the whole garden so the scaffolding could access. So we have a scaffolding at the back as well. Now let's go to the garage. This is where it used to be a bathroom. This is all gone. The wall is ripped out in between. So obviously they're gonna clear all this mess. And this is where it's gonna be one of the bedrooms. Now let me show you the 2 big rooms downstairs, where all the chimneys being removed. Obviously still a lot of mess that they need to clear it out. This is one of the bedrooms. And this is the second one, but all the chimneys are out. So it's quite messy right now, but the progress has been great in the suite. We are very happy about it. Now let me take you upstairs and show you what's been done there. Now we are on the first floor of the property. As you can see, we have a big timber delivery for the loft. This room, not much has been done, and this is the only place where they still haven't removed the chimney rests. They started removing all the bathroom. Okay, let's go to one of our bedrooms. As you can see, chimney breasts being removed here too. We got some delivery of a skylights, and The wardrobe has been removed here, and this is the last largest bedroom. As you can see, the chimney breasts are out as well. And on this project, we did have a bit of a challenge with one of our neighbors. Let's say they weren't that happy about all the construction noise compared to our first project where everyone was quite easy about it. But of course, this is part of the journey and we're gonna overcome it. Our team as well changed the front roof tiles and installed the 2 Velux windows. So as you can see, it's been only 5 days on the project, but they've been flying through it. Managing 2 projects at the same time has been hectic, juggling different timelines, coordinating 2 different teams, and learning as we go. And even if we apply what we learned from our first project, there is always something new around the corner. Speaking of teams, we specifically chose different contractors for each project. This will allow us to compare the working style, the speed, and the quality of works. As we are new in this, gaining as much insight as possible is the key for us. And so far, this decision shown us how different teams operate. This team has costed us more money, but at the same time, this team is saving us money on the long run. The faster we can finish the project, the faster we can rent it out, and the faster we can start to generate passive income. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to share the next updates with you. If you haven't seen how our first project is coming along, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.